Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you an update on my high puff, just like how I was able to style this hair. So this is like my go-to style every single day. It's either I have my hair in an afro or it's just in a high puff. Like literally those are my styles. They're super easy, they don't take me time, I don't have to manipulate my hair so much, so I like them. So I just wanted to show you how I do put my hair into a puff. So you only need a few things for this tutorial. You need your denim brush. You don't have to use this, I just wanted to stretch out my hair a little bit more. You need your brush, your small brush, whatever brush you have, just to brush out on the perimeters of your hair. Something for your puff. I like to use this cloth. You need your cloth to tie around to lay your baby hairs, just like this. And then you need your Eco Style gel.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah, I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do.
So thank you so much for watching this video. That's all I had for you for today. If you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up, down, and then if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.